Yes, party people. Hey, what do you have there? What's that? Now I just wanna ask. Wait. I'm not the enemy. I'm not the enemy. I'm not the enemy. I'm not.
How are you?
I'm all right.
You all right?
How you doing,
Yeah,
man,
fine.
son? Oh, what's that? Food?
Cocoyas.
Cocaine. What's cocaine? Ah, so what do you do with it? Ah, oh, so you crush it? Ah, okay.
Then you have leg after you can put this on and
Uh-huh. Okay. All right, thank you.
yeah, thank you.
No problem. Yes, so here I am on this hidden beach in Gambia. It's Tangi. So if you're coming down towards Tangi, you'll see these two windmills over there. Yes, make a right. Make a right and come towards it. And here you are. So yeah, entering the sea. Let me see how far out I can go. It's warm and nice. Oh, look at the fish. There's a fish. Yes, I'm going out. Ah, okay. Oh, there was some cold current just a while ago. And then warm, and then cold. Well, as you can see back there, there are some Lebanese. There's no Gambians here, just Lebanese, because you've got to come behind that wall there. So I'm not sure Gambians know how to get here. Maybe they do and they're just like, I'm not mixing with these lot. Yeah, here we are. Look how far I am from the shore. Ah, this would be perfect for children. You can leave them here, they won't drown. It's not getting deeper. Wait. Oh, the water is getting warmer. Can I walk to the other side? This is wicked! Wait. I should have taken my pants off because I got my phones in it. But I think I can walk there. Walk to that to the island. Because the water is breaking over there. So I think it's possible for me to get there. I think so. Look, the water's just by my knees. It's not even by my knees as yet. I think we can do it. Cha cha, cha cha, cha 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 cha. No, there's some black water there, so black means deep. Are you kidding me? I think I can. Okay, no, it's deep now. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't know. Oh, it's backing up. Why is it reversing? Shee. Okay. Okay. I'm going back this way. Oh, no, no, no. I need boots on. Or stick. Yeah, I'm going to get in my undies and get the stick. Because I saw something coming towards me. Then it stopped and backed up. Yes, so I'm in Batakunku Beach, Gambia. There's a sailorman paying his net, fisherman. And I'm driving up along the beach. On Batakunku! I love Batakunku.
Yes, so this is Batakunku Beach. What the guy was telling me before was, oh, sorry about the wind. I'm so sorry about the wind. But yeah, it was quite big, windy. Let me say that. You know me, no re-edits, as raw as it comes with my messed up tongue. Yeah, so what the old man was telling me was that they walk along the beach and they take the old shells that are scattered on the beach and then they crush it up with concrete, and that will be like your flooring. If it's outside or inside, so it's like cement, I think. Do not quote me, I think. But yeah, that's what it is. But this beach is Batakunku. Very cool. Nobody comes here. Well, as you can see, when I was talking to the man, you saw those people that were playing football and they had their mates as the goalies. So yeah, they come there every weekend and they enjoy the beach. There's no one there. The beach is shallow, so if you've got children, you come to Gambia, go to Batakunku. As you can see, I walked out about 150 meters and the water was by my calf. It's good for children. So, darn it, that wind. I'm sorry, but this is my crazy self driving on the beach, Batakunku. I like this beach very, very much. What is there to say? Let me make up some things. Well, as you can see on the left, that is the ocean. And that ocean takes you straight to the Caribbean. From there, straight ahead, it's a fishing port called Tangi, where all the ships come to get, after catching their fish, to sell. And behind me is Tujere, which is very, very nice white sand beach. Yeah, Tujere. What else can I make up? No, that's not made up. That's actually facts. Sorry. Oh, you can hear the shells. Yeah, those are the shells that they pick up and crush them and sell them to mix with cement to put in your floor. But it's loads of, if you can hear. Listen very carefully. Yeah. Yeah, so this family, guess what they're doing? They're sifting the sand to take the shells that are just washed up here. But yeah, when you're in Gambia, Batakunku, it's a very, 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 very nice beach for you and your family. So I hope that's enough entertainment for you. Oh, yes, on my right, those trees over there have some beautiful birds. The other day I was driving by and I saw a bird. If anybody knows this bird, it was bright, bright, bright red on the head, bright red on the tail. It's like reddish orange, and the middle of the body was Is that gray? I'm going to say gray. Yes, gray. Shiny gray. Small bird. It's like can fit in the palm of your hand. So a few of them live. If you turn the camera towards on my right there, that's like a little rainforest thingy. No, not rainforest. What am I saying? Sanctuary. So a lot of birds come there. Yeah, so look out for that bird when you come. And now I'm heading back the other way now. Heading back towards Tudrin. Yeah. But it's nice. So come and enjoy the beach. Africa has very, very, very nice beaches. Very, very, very nice beaches. Very, very clean beaches. Very, very quiet beaches. Where it's not a million people. See you on the flip side.